Morning, HB, donuts and derelicts. Just an average Saturday morning. Dang, GTO with the doggy. I love a doggy in a car, it's the best. Hey, what's up, Butch? I think you saw me. Hey. Dang, that boy's dope. Morning.
Morning.
You brought the little pooch out?
Yeah, today.
That a boy or girl?
Girl.
Oh, she's pretty. So is your car. Huh, girly. What's her name?
Bella.
Bella. Look at, she's good. Look at, you want your daddy, don't you? Whoa, homeboy. Oh, I've always wanted to get this baby rolling in. I got it now. That thing is sick. Got the whole Bible on it. Not a good paint job on that one. It's all red. Same spot. I think homeboy parks here all the time. Look at that. That's fantastic. That's wild too. Morning.
Morning.
It's early. Good morning, sir. Park it in. This bad boy right next to it. Sheesh. This thing is... It just took me away from that car, didn't it? Oh man, that's dope. That is so dope. I gotta get that driving. What? That's a Pontiac right there, boy. Ventura? What? Clean. And... Well, there's some kind of hot rod right here. See all the motor and everything. Look at that. You can smell the gas. It smells good, actually. Whoa, green and mean, baby. That's dope. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Morning, gentlemen. Whoa, there you go. He didn't like that. That's 340. Got this bad boy coming through, boy. Ooh, where's that seat test? Ooh. Man, that car smells clean. Smells clean, looks clean. That's muscle, baby. That muscle. Ooh. Ooh, that is some muscle, isn't it? Look at him. He's mashing up in here. Get out of his way. Out of his way. Get out of his way. Came in hot, didn't he? Look at him. Claimed his spot. That's how you roll in. Is he late for something? I don't know. Came in, yeah, hot. I'm gonna get this coming around. Whew. Way to claim your spot, sir. I loved it. Yeah, boy. You can blow a lot of people out of here. This. Good morning, right?
That was a slow little drive on the freeway.
Yeah, dog. It's early, man. They do it early here. Wow. Another Ford. Oh man, it's getting wild here today because this car, it just sounds. It sounds electric, but that's a V8. Whoa. That's a baby blue. That's a. Yes, sir. Hello. Here we go. talked about the distributor. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You broke it down so good.
Because I got that Vega with the V4 in it too.
Oh no, yeah, it's about this bad boy right here.
Okay.
Then you revved it up. Oh. What is this? Boom! You don't see this every day. Woo! All right, I'm up. Now I'm up. Oh, they're coming in deep. Coming in deep, dog. Come on, bring it, dog. Woo! Take it sick. Little friends, boy. Came in. Oh, you got the disco lights in there? All right. Ooh. Yee. That cut is. He's got the crew here, boy. We're gonna slip around. Woo. Yeah. The homies are here. I believe it's SS Dragon. Yeah, it's him, dog. Stacking up, doing his thing. Got the fam here. Oh man. Good morning. There he is. Honestly, I was not up until this crew came in. Over here, dog. Oh, look at that. Morning. This one NorCal? I don't know. You got the Niner hat on. Got the fam. Kids look tired. I know I'm tired. That kid looks tired, boy. What is this, dog? Let me get up in here real quick. I can eat my breakfast off your engine, dog. It's so clean on me. NorCal in the house. Boom, what is this? These lights are sick. Ooh, it's sick. Ooh. Hey, you guys from NorCal? Are you guys from up north? Or yeah? From where about? San Francisco. I'm from Sacktown originally, dog. Yeah. Thank you for coming down, man. I need more NorCal fuckers up here, dog. Got the NorCal crew. Yeah. All right, I am up in the house. Good morning. NorCal in the house?
Yeah, NorCal.
I'm originally from Sacramento. Thank you for coming. Yes, I'm a NorCal blooded man myself. I just tell a difference. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ooh. I'm gonna chill right here, man. They're coming in deep. Another. Eee. Come on, dog. They're coming in. Right on in. NorCal, baby. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be wild today. It's gonna be packed today.
I know.
We got some special.
We're not staying long because we have an appointment at Southwest Cars Coffee. So they.
Oh, you're at the.
San Clemente.
Yeah. I've been there plenty of times too.
Yeah,
But they give you a whole thing.
They reserve spots.
Good. You should have fun there.
We'll be cruising PCH and they reserve spots for us too.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
They should have some nice spots for you in San Clemente. It's a different vibe.
Yeah.
So much
We went
money.
last year.
Oh,
Yeah.
the money there is crazy.
Yeah.
Well, have a good time. Have safe drives. Look at this thing. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, boy, NorCal in the house. I see all these Giants hats. I like it. I'm from Sacramento myself. I was telling homegirls, like, I can just tell the difference between us. You know? Oh, yeah? I'm from Broderick, West Sacramento. Broderick. Yeah, boy. Welcome, NorCal. Welcome. Woo! Good morning. NorCal making their... Oh, yes, sir. Woo-wee. NorCal, baby. This is that NorCal. It's kind of early, isn't it?